Hello dear viewer of this video. Today I'm gonna show how to merge skins, especially in the context of merging liturgical skins by the website of minecraft.novaskin.me. First of all, if you the first time enter into this website, there might be a standard Steve skin showing you right here. And how to remove it is basically you're going on the minus here, you select the Steve skin here and you press minus, then the skin is going to be deleted. Afterwards, if this is all clear here without any pixels, you go and open. You take the skin from which you want to extract your head and your hands, and you go on removing the pixels which you don't need for the head and the hands by simply taking the pixel and right-clicking with your mouse. You can do it manually. You can keep pressing the right-click on the mouse and basically go through the pixels like this. Or you can even basically double-click on the structure you want to remove it, and then the whole side and all pixels on this side will get removed. Obviously you shouldn't do this on the structure which is here on your arm, because then a part of your hand will also get removed, and this is obviously not good for our goal. So you basically do it manually for the arms like this, and you keep going on, you keep going to do this. Here, for example, you can double click because the body, the main body part is not relevant. Neither are the legs or feet relevant for what we want. We want only to have the head. Okay, you could even remove this thing, and then you could basically go off. Okay. In skins, there is always two layers. The external layer, if you want to phrase it like this, and the internal layer, and you can basically switching here between the both. So if you're ready with the external layers, then you can basically one click on every body part you want to have it, and then you will only have the internal, if you want to name it this way, the internal texture. After you are ready with this, you should have a result like this, or everything removed beside the head and the hands. Now you click again on open, and now it is important that you choose the skin you want to actually have. Okay, you want to merge it, the second skin. For example, I want a Chasuble skin in the type of A for cardinals, and I want to have a golden one. I double click. So here we have the problem that, okay, you see the hands and the head is black, and this means that we need to go again on Nova Skin. We need, can remove this again. We need to choose the skin which we want, the golden one, the Chasuble for cardinals, type A. And now we go on and remove everything. We remove the hands and head, but nothing else. This is the right way to say it. So here is it a little bit easier with that. You can basically do this. Some skins which the Benedictine order has designed and provided for the open use, some skins already have an empty head, an empty heads, and an empty head and empty hands. So there you don't need to do this process of removing the head and the hands. But most skins have these black hands and head, so you need to take another minute to remove everything what you don't need. And then you go on and do the same with the hands. So basically like this, and then you put right click again, like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay, and there you have it. Hands are gone. This is what we want. And there we have the head. Everything is also gone. And when we come back to all layers, so it's again the complete skin, then we see we have our result, what we want. There we go. This is what we need. And either we go back to this, remove this again, or better to say save this one, go back and add this one to here, or we basically also could, if we already have previously saved this one, our hands and our head, we can basically open our hands and our head. I need to, yeah, here I have it. So we see it's merged, it's ready. We have from the original skin, we have removed everything but the head and the heads, but the head and the hands. And from the skin, from the goal skin to which we want to add our hands and our head, we removed respectively our hands and our head. So we have this one, and it's working. And now we just click on save. Again, right click, picture, save. Then we can save it all the way we want. Yes, this was the tutorial for how to merge skins with the website of Minecraft.nova.me. I hope this video was helpful and wish you a great day.